Ready to play?
Ready to play?
Hey, Sandra with Angelo's Edge. I got a little different video here today. Not an unboxing. It's just basically, I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I counted right. 10 knives that I own that are green. So it's going to be the green knives I own. And I got Mrs. Edge sitting over here.
Howdy.
Anyways, so one of her favorite knives is on the table. I guess we'll start. I guess we'll start there. The Warrior, Harns Warrior, flipper. What's this have on? I think it has a D2 steel, a bigger blade. I think this is over. Let's see. I got a little ruler here. Let's see. It is a big blade. It is. Lay it here. It is. Ooh, crap. That's all right. So we can lay it on the other knife. So it is over around 9 inches long. So there's the Warrior, made by Harns. Hand it to the wife.
Yes.
And what do you think of that one?
Well, you know what I think of this one. This is my favorite.
It's our favorite.
It's
Whoa, you heard that.
It's open nice. It's big. But
Yeah.
it fits in your hand, whether you have small hands or large hands. It just seems to fit nicely. It feels good. It's got a good weight on it, so it doesn't feel like it's going to fly out of your hand or anything. Drops really nice and easy when you're closing it. It's just a all around.
Maybe she should be doing the videos.
No. Here.
All right, so there's the
just
Warrior.
That's good. I like that one.
All right, I'll just start it off right. See any other knives you like? Oh, here's a knife. She loves this one.
No, I don't want to even look at
All
that
right,
one.
this is the Alien one. This is made by Effengro. So,
I call it an alien.
oh, she calls it the Alien. It's a clone, or not exactly a clone of another knife. I can't, a Ravine. It's some type, but it's an Effengro D2 steel blade. It's kind of green. It's a jade, so I classify it as green. Nice. I like it. Has this bearing ride with a nice finger choil up here. It's a different looking knife, but I'll hand it to her. She probably
No.
won't keep it very long. She
I
don't
don't
even.
need it.
You don't even want to see this one.
It's creepy. I don't
It's
like
creepy.
it.
All right.
I don't
Well,
like, you know I don't
we'll
like that one.
we'll just call it Joe. Anyways,
Joe.
so
Oh.
anyways, so moving on. Since we're to
I'm forever gonna call that knife Joe.
this is gonna be forever known as Joe. All right. Anyways, so we'll move on to that. So I can't go and elaborate because,
Okay, go ahead.
anyways. So these two are made by Lansky Sharpening Systems. They're classified as green. There's green on one side. So they're made by the Mikkel Williamson, a collaboration with Lansky Sharpening. So I like this knife. I like the big one. This is the 9-inch one. It's called the Responder X9. This is a Responder. It's the same knife but smaller, but this one has 9CR13. This one has Sandvik 12, and so that is like I said, a collaboration between Mikkel Williamson, a famous knife designer. You want to see any of these ones? Like this one's here. Try the Beast here.
I don't think I like those.
She don't think she likes these. So, but
Wow, this one's it's heavy.
yeah, it's a heavy.
I
This is
don't
the
like
Responder
these.
X. They're nylon, have nylon washers, so they don't fly open.
I don't. They just don't look right.
Okay, some people like it's one of them love hate things. Either you like them or you hate them.
I don't know. I don't like that the
So-
handle goes from skinny to fat.
Right. It's ironic you say that. The Newegg Tactical just did a video on this one with they got this knife with a knife sharpener, and He got basically he didn't like how this one felt. He felt uncomfortable when he was cutting and
It
stuff.
does feel uncomfortable.
Here's a smaller
And
one.
I don't
They
like,
had this one.
I don't like. I mean, it looks like the.
Here, you take this one.
Yes,
I'll bring
it
you
looks
this
like
one.
when it's open, it looks like the
So
blade.
I gave her
is
the smaller
too
one.
Big for the. Yeah, they look like the blade. I know it closes obviously, but it looks like the blade is larger than the handle.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
and it's just weird.
I see. It's a different. It's like one of those knives you either like or you hate. So
I'm not fond of
she's
them.
not fond of it. Look at all them fancy words she uses.
Oh,
You're gonna have to have her own knife channel. She does have her own channel. It's LGS Vicky.
I don't do much,
She don't do much. She does
but
stuff.
I get there.
All right. Here's
It's
now.
more, it's more health and wellness and beauty and gardening.
I'll try to put a.
LGS Vicky,
I'll put a card up so you can link to it.
whatever.
Whatever. This is another knife. This is green. I just got. This is actually another one designed by the Williamson, Mikkel Williamson. Which ironic. I think she likes this one, and it's made by the same designer. A collaboration with Concept, a new knife company. I think it just came out. I don't know.
Oh, you know what I like about it.
Let's see, I'll make sure I'm recording. Yep, I'm still recording. Yeah, so Concept came out and they did another collaboration with Mikkel Williamson. This one is bearing dry ride with liner locks drop shut. I'm gonna hand this one to LSG Vicky. LGS Vicky.
Lemongrass ball.
Lemongrass ball.
Now, you know I like this one because it just has a classy look to it.
Has a classy look like.
Yeah.
I like that one. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know, I said Legend of Zelda before on the
Yeah,
other.
Legend of Zelda.
Because
Yeah,
it's
you're
the
right.
color combination with
It's
the
like
gold
the
and green.
the army green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's appealing.
Open, it looks like a throwing knife or something.
Oh yeah, which is so funny. You like that knife, but you don't
I
like
don't
this.
necessarily like it. I mean,
Yeah.
it passes.
But, yeah, it's made by the same designer as these
but
knives
you
are,
see, with the handle, it goes from that skinny edge to that big edge.
which is the same style.
But because of the way that the two-tone colors are,
Can I
you
see the
don't-
knife so
yeah,
I can
you don't-
explain what you're talking about?
you don't notice it.
She's
as
talking
much.
about the two-tone colors, so it don't
kind of
disguises it.
Kind of disguises that skinny part until you're holding it.
And I like it how you can hold it up like this, or you have nice big large finger choil so you can choke up. I don't know if you notice that.
Yeah.
So she's talking about this. It disguises it, but I like the gold and the green.
Oh, I do too.
It's just a sharp-looking knife.
I absolutely love that combination.
And unfortunately, this is one of the most expensive knives on the table here, but this is like $60. So
It's weird. I do kind
It's-
of like that.
all these knives are going like in between, probably 20 to. Of course, this one's the most expensive one, 60. All right, so
It's a classy look.
yeah, it's nice. So let's see which one you see over here that you want to look at next.
I don't care.
She don't care. I got this Kershaw. We'll go to the Kershaw. It has a funky looking blade, 8CR13. Just I don't know. It's all right. Nice Kershaw. G10 grips, subframe lock. They call them bearings. It's I've used it. Sharpened up nice. Nice deep pocket clip. It's very light. All G10. Look at this one.
Mm-hmm.
That's the Kershaw she's taking a look at now. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's alright.
It's all right. I believe it's
Yeah.
yeah, nah. I believe that's considered a sheep foot. It's not.
Yeah,
It's
I was
a-
gonna say, I
It
don't
goes curves down,
care
so you don't like
for
the sheep
shape
foot.
of it,
Yeah,
of the
and
blade,
it has the
but-
fillers.
but I don't not like it.
You don't like yeah, it's a nice light. I like the color combination.
Yeah.
That I like the black on green.
Over here, yeah, on
Yeah.
the back side of it.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So,
That's nice.
like I like the color combination. So that's the Kershaw.
Kershaw.
What is it? The Natrix, I believe. So all right.
Sammy Kershaw?
Sammy Kershaw, no.
No.
Oh, let's see here. Let's go with the Boker. This is a Otto. Bam.
Yeah.
Otto. I don't know if you heard her. So that's supposed to be modeled after the I can't think of the name. It's up here. It's right here. It is supposed to be modeled after this airplane here. I can't think of it. I'm sure if you want to comment what it is, I can't remember. So, but yeah, so it's a Boker Auto. It flies out, bam. So, actually this might be this might have been 47 because this might be close to the expensive. More, this might be about the same price. It might have been 50 something. So, but it's
the other one was like 60.
yeah. So this is just slightly under it. So this is the Boker. I can't even think of the name of the actual knife.
Well, don't spend too much time thinking.
Yeah. Anyway, so she wants to see the knife, right? That's the Auto. I got 3 more after this one.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, you have one of these Auto knives that
Yeah.
I don't like because it seems to
This one?
flip out and feel too
Oh,
too fast,
See,
too
is that it?
slippery. Let me see.
Oh,
Don't touch that.
I wonder.
Something
I know what
don't
you mean,
like about it.
slippery.
Yeah, it feels like it's gonna pop right out of my
That
hand.
has the grip. Those have grips on them, so they don't. That one feels like it's gonna pop it in.
This one feels like I can't.
I get it.
I don't know.
You push in the switch.
But this one feels sturdy. In my
She's
hand.
for some reason she
I got
thinks
it.
this one
That
wants
one
to fly out
feels
her
like-
hands. It's actually the same knife.
This feels. This just feels good. This
I don't
feels
know.
very.
Maybe the blade's a
very
little.
solid.
I don't know. Maybe
feels
the
solid.
blade's a little different. I mean, that's a spear point, and this is a drop point out.
Yeah.
Really, they're not much different.
No, I like this. I like this one. I like this one. I
It's
like
the
the
Boker.
colors. I like the face, of course.
Yeah.
And again, it feels solid when it opens.
So this is the Boker.
Feels safe.
Put this away. I'll start to write all the names of the knives when I'm all done.
You got some shiny on there, huh?
Some shiny.
Light is.
Oh, it's reflecting. Yeah. But anyways, yeah.
Whatever.
So half video's
Don't
almost
stand up.
over.
I
Yeah.
don't want to see your drawers.
I got under. I got pants on, just in case the camera would slide back. And so I'm properly clothed. I have my clothing on.
You're properly attired.
I'm properly attired. So okay, let's try the Harns military camouflage. It's nice. I got a nice blade on or edge on that one. Frame lock. Another nice Harns, like the same brand made this one. Harns Warrior. This is called this is the Disguiser. I like sometimes when they put the names on the knife so I remember what they are. So this is a drop shut. Only problem I don't like about this one, I don't have. It has like the tighten the pivot. There's no way really to tighten the pivot. You need almost a spanner wrench. I don't have one, so it might have a little. It's look kind
You
of
better get one.
yeah. So, but it's a nice knife here.
Let me see.
Yeah. So.
You know what? I don't like the digital.
She don't like the digital camouflage, but it's green, so
But what's kind of funny is it's got this
the jade.
the jade.
Well,
type
that's
of accent to it,
right.
and I like that. Where I don't like the creepy Joe one. Oh.
Anyways, so yeah,
And I like the blade on this. It looks.
it's a drop point.
Rugged.
Yeah.
and-
Oh, it's a stonewash black blade.
Yeah.
And
I like the way this one feels.
it's a good feel. It's a nice
It's got-
knife.
Yeah, this
The
is
the
very
Harns
nice.
do make some nice knives,
Yeah.
but you feel it has a little rock to it. I can't tighten. I figure out tighten it.
Oh, it does. It
Yeah,
does.
I gotta tighten that up, but I can't. But it
Yeah.
drops like crazy.
It's nice.
Yeah, another
Yeah.
slam dunk by Harns.
I like that one.
But yeah, so she's talking about the jade right here, how it looks like white,
The
or
accent.
that's actually, I guess, considered natural jade without the coloring or dye. That's what it looks like. So it's almost got like a glow in the dark look to it. I don't know.
Yes.
So anyway, so we'll
That
go with.
feels really good in your hand.
Yeah, that's a
Good
nice.
weight.
It's a good one. This is a Firebird. This is a. Oh, what is this one? I can't. Hopefully it tells me the number because Firebirds don't really have names. They just have numbers. This is a F21. So there's F21. That's funny. The one I just bought, but it's not black, is another brand. Anyways, all right. This is a Firebird F21. So actually a long blade for the for such a small knife. This is actually it's a kind of classy looking knife. It bearings, it drops. It's one of my favorite Firebird knives. D2. deep pocket, partially deep carry pocket clip. Yeah. Here you go. Take a look at this. There's the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like
You
this.
don't like that one?
No.
That's her.
I don't like this. It's skinny. You know, it looks like it looks like a paring knife.
Paring knife, huh?
Yeah. I don't like this.
She don't like it at all.
Here.
Here, handing it back to me.
I don't like it.
So I brought the GI
I mean,
Joes
there's
out.
Nothing. It just doesn't feel. It's not bulky enough. It just
Right.
feels like a small paring knife.
Got the GI Joes out. They're green, so I figured it'd fit.
Hey,
What?
they're not knives.
They're toys. I guess I don't know. All right,
G.I. Joe.
we'll back them up here. All right, and the last one. See, we're still recording. Cool. This is EF, a number D2. I can't remember the number, but I'll put it in the description. Bearing ride. Nice, deep, pretty deep clary pocket clip. Dropped shut. Nice, just overall nice knife for. I think it's regularly $30, but I think I got it for $20 on sale. Sometimes on Amazon the EF knives will go down to like $20. So I like it. Last one. What do you think, Victoria?
Now this is weird. You know how I said with those other ones, it looked like the blade was much larger than the handle, even
Yeah.
though it fit. This one looks like the blade is smaller.
Which is odd because I was talking on Amazon. If you look at the
And it fits
Amazon,
perfectly.
the
Yeah.
Amazon, the way they take the picture, it looks even smaller.
That's
It's so weird. I passed that up so many
Look at
times.
that.
Yeah, I passed it up so many times because the blade looks smaller than it really is, but it's proportion to the handle.
Yeah,
The
when
handle,
you close it, I mean, it
yeah,
closes right to
the handle. It almost looks like it's too small in the picture, but it's a very. It might be because the blade is like, it's a very wide blade. I'll take a measurement when she's done.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
It's grippy.
Yeah, it's a
it's
G10.
Pretty good weight. And I like this part back here too.
The jumping on the back of the
Yeah,
handle of your
I
hand,
like that.
like it grows. That's cool.
Yeah, it's nice.
Well, so like I'm wondering if this is part of the problem. Like with this knife, it's such a fat knife, kind of like a Spyderco. I guess like it's almost an inch and like almost not quite an inch, 1.33 inches. Like that's a very wide, thick knife, and a lot of knives, even the Warrior, like the Warrior, it's not even that wide. I mean, it's an inch and 1.22. So I think that's what makes it look smaller than it is. Maybe the design of the handle, I don't know. But just by the way you hold it, sometimes you can make it hold it like this, and it really looks small. It's just weird. I got it. I passed it up because the Amazon picture does not do it justice. So, all right, there's some green knives I own. So, thanks, Vicky, for the guest appearance, or most of my celebrity guest star.
Thanks for having me on.
All right, well, guess I'll wrap it up. Remember to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.